Hi, this is Ashwarya and you're watching pigirl. In this video we will see how we can connect a sound sensor to Arduino, and also we will see how LED is controlled by sound. Now let's look at the connection. Here we'll give a supply of 5 volts and we'll also connect the ground to ground, and there's a out pin in sound sensor which we are going to connect it to the second digital pin of Arduino Nano. Now coming towards LED connection, there's a longer terminal and shorter terminal. So here the positive side is a longer terminal which we are going to connect it to the third digital pin. Now we are going to upload the code. Let's get started with the coding part. Here we are going to define two digital pins, sound pin and LED pin as 2 and 3, and the pin mode setup. The input would be sound pin and the output would be the LED pin, and we will also give the baud rate as 9600, and we will define a if condition to turn on the LED and turn off the LED as we get the sound pulse. This is a mic and a potentiometer. This mic receives the sound information and converts that into a resistance. This sound is converted into resistance where the amount of resistance equals to amount of the sound received. And here there is a potentiometer where you can adjust the sensitivity of sound. Okay, all this data is being received by this mic. So as I am talking right now, the light is glowing. It means it is receiving certain amount of resistance to glow the light, and this is how it works.